What is the purpose of religion? Should not religions evolve with time and provide us mechanisms to fight diseases like coronavirus? Should not we use the power of religions to heal the hearts, minds, and bodies of those suffering from coronavirus? Should not we discard the religions which have stopped evolving with time? Namaste. I am Virender Kumar. With the help of these videos, I will raise some issues about religions and make you critically think about the role of religions in the current corona crisis. Religion and culture are interdependent. Do you think that religion and culture play any role in fighting epidemics? Let us discuss the case of Japan. Shintoism, the native religion of Japan, demands that everything should be pure, from inside as well as outside. Therefore, Japanese clean their bodies and neighborhoods more than other nations. Whenever they come from outside, they take their shoes off, wash their hands, and in some families, gargle using warm water. Shintoism asks people to focus on collective well-being. Therefore, Japanese do not want to become infected and become a source of problems for others. Shintoism encourages people to trust authority. Therefore, the authority enjoys legitimacy among masses. Buddhism, another major religion in Japan, has positioned itself as a method of healing the fundamental sufferings of sentient beings who are trapped in the cycle of birth and death. Buddha identifies the symptoms of suffering, reveals the causes for suffering, states that there is a way to heal the disease, and finally prescribes a therapy. This is similar to the modern medical principle of diagnosis, etiology, recovery, and therapeutics. Buddha further specifies that the karma of an individual defines his destiny. The ideas of karma are greatly influenced by Shinto beliefs discussed earlier. Thus, one can see that religion and culture play a vital role in fighting coronavirus like epidemics. From Japan, let us come to India. Many of you have seen videos, pictures, news of men and women worshipping Corona Devi or Corona Amman from all over India.
कोरोना माई के जय हो, कोरोना माई के जय हो, बिहार से भाग जाओ, बिहार से कोरोना माई भाग जाओ, बिहार से भाग।
As soon as such news emerged, most of the people started blaming and ridiculing Hinduism in general and worshippers of Corona Devi in particular. Some said it is superstitious, some called it stupidity, some said that entire Hinduism is full of such false gods. Let us see some of the reactions. Worshipping Corona goddess is madness. This narrative has been carefully built by mainstream media and so-called intellectuals. The masses have simply adopted what they have been told without listening to the other side of the picture. So I am here to show you the other side of the picture. I will explain the rationality behind Corona Devi.
हे माता, अरे कहूँ से चलल हो कि हमार गांव नगर जिला जवार सब जे भैया बहनी बासे के सब जुड़े रखी शांति हो जाए हमार गांव नगर दुनिया में सुनत नहीं जाए शांति हो जाए।